Greetings everyone. Okay, what do you see in my hand? Glass filled with water. Up some of you will feel that it is half empty, and some of you will say that it's half filled. So different people, they have got different perspective. They may call it either half empty or a half filled, depending upon the attitude. What is attitude? Attitude is the way we look at life in general. Do we look at life as something to live or enjoy, or as a punishment to be borne till death liberates us from bondage? And how is our attitude that decides what we are going to get? If our attitude is positive, we'll attract positivity. But if our attitude is negative, it's certain that will attract negativity. So work is needed to change the negative approach into positive. Let me share something really very deep, spiritual, I must say, of soul level. We need to face the truth, no matter how brutal, how harsh it is, because truth only will set us free. We need not to be perfect, but we should be real, we should be authentic. Charms, they strike the eyes, but merits win the soul. I must say that denial is the biggest self-betrayal. We don't get betrayed by people or by situations. At times what happens that people say ki no, the destiny was really very hostile on her. Because of that she had to face these all tensions in her life, and we say that that person was being cheated by her or she was being cheated by that person. Actually, we don't realize that we are betraying our own selves by not choosing who we truly are, by not choosing who we truly can become, and by not choosing who we truly are. Our focus is where? Outside. We want to change outside world. We say that things can be better if my husband does this thing. Just because of my mother-in-law the things are like this. We say that because of the government the things are not changing. Fine, but actually the change is needed at home. The change begins at home. By home, I don't mean that the structure made up of bricks and cement. Home is here. Change is needed here. The name of my channel is Miracles Within. That means we have everything, every resource for our growth within us. But for growth to happen, we need to uninstall certain things and install certain other things. We need to uninstall what? Uninstall our limiting beliefs that I am not enough. Fine. And lot of other energy drainers like fear, doubts, my limiting beliefs, those beliefs which are not serving me. We need to peel off those beliefs that are really not doing any good to me, and install confidence, positivity, trust. It's a saying that सारी दुनिया को काबू में करने चला, एक गागर में सागर को भरने चला, सारी दुनिया भला तू जीतेगा क्या, एक मन ही पथिक तुझे जीत गया. That means change is needed. We need to work on ourselves. Positive affirmations, gratitude. Fine, we'll be working on that step by step. And what I personally feel, that waiting for someone to change, worrying and wanting things to happen as I desire are the three W's which actually never serve. And that is a hobby which we all have, that kind of handsome hobby, because that why I've called it as a handsome hobby, because it costs too much, है ना. It actually disconnects me from my own being. Fine, it delays growth. We'll discuss it further in my next video. Thank you.